Following a vegan diet, or even just including more plant-based foods in your routine, can be a healthy and delicious approach to eating. Research has shown that cutting back on animal products and eating more beans, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds is associated with a decreased risk for diabetes, heart disease and certain types of cancer. Plus, you may have an easier time losing weight on a vegan diet, thanks to fiber-rich foods, which help you feel full and satisfied throughout the day. At 1,200 calories, this vegan meal plan sets you up to lose a healthy 1 to 2 pounds per week and includes a variety of nutritious foods and balanced meals to make sure you're getting the nutrients you need each day. Whether you're a full-time vegan or just looking for healthy vegan recipe ideas, this plant-based meal plan makes for a week of wholesome eating. How to meal prep your week of meals. 1. Make a batch of the vegan pancakes to have for breakfast on days 1, 5, and 7. Store the cooked pancakes in a single layer in an airtight container and freeze until ready to eat. Reheat in the microwave. 2. Cook a batch of basic quinoa to have for lunch on day 2 and dinner on day 5. 3. Make the quinoa and chia oatmeal mix to have on day 4. Store the dry mix in an airtight container for up to 1 month. Day 1. Breakfast, 296 calories. 2 vegan pancakes. 1/4 cup blackberries. 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter. Mix peanut butter with 1 teaspoon. Warm water, or more, as needed, to thin out the peanut butter. Drizzle over pancakes. AM. Snack, 150 calories. 3/4 cup edamame pods, seasoned with a pinch of salt. Lunch, 245 calories. 1 serving white bean and avocado toast. 1 cup sliced cucumber. PM. Snack, 30 calories. 1 small plum. Dinner, 499 calories. 1 serving falafel salad with lemon tahini dressing. Daily totals, 1,221 calories, 50 g protein, 137 g carbohydrates, 38 g fiber, 59 g fat, 1,586 milligrams sodium. Day 2. Breakfast, 262 calories. 1 serving peanut butter and chia berry jam English muffin. AM. Snack, 100 calories. 1/2 cup edamame pods, seasoned with a pinch of salt. Lunch, 360 calories. 4 cups white bean and veggie salad. If you're taking this salad to go, pack it up in this handy meal prep container, specifically made to keep your greens fresh and dressing separate until you're ready to eat. Buy it. Amazon.com, $35 for a 2-pack. Dinner, 500 calories. 2 cups black bean quinoa Buddha bowl. Daily totals, 1,220 calories, 48 g protein, 153 g carbohydrates, 46 g fiber, 53 g fat, 1,370 milligrams sodium. Day 3. Breakfast, 266 calories. 1 serving peanut butter banana toast. AM. Snack, 114 calories. 2 tablespoon. Pumpkin seeds, pepitas. Lunch, 325 calories. 4 cups serving green salad with edamame and beets. PM. Snack, 62 calories. 2 cups air-popped popcorn. Dinner, 446 calories. 1½ cups roasted cauliflower and potato curry soup. 1/2 small whole wheat pita, toasted. 1/3 cup hummus. Meal prep tip: save 1 serving of the roasted cauliflower and potato curry soup in a leak-proof meal prep container. To buy, Amazon.com, $7.19, for lunch on day 4. Daily totals, 1,213 calories, 49 g protein, 132 g carbohydrates, 34 g fiber, 57 g fat, 1,760 milligrams sodium. Day 4. Breakfast, 296 calories. 1/3 cup quinoa and chia oatmeal mix cooked with 1 1/4 cups unsweetened soy milk. Meal prep tip: make the quinoa and chia oatmeal mix and store in an airtight container for up to 1 month. AM. Snack: 30 calories. 1 small plum. Lunch: 309 calories. 1 1/2 cups roasted cauliflower and potato curry soup. 1/2 small whole wheat pita, toasted. PM. Snack: 114 calories. 2 tablespoon. Pumpkin seeds, pepitas. Dinner: 472 calories. 1 serving stuffed sweet potato with hummus dressing. Daily totals: 1,222 calories, 51 g protein, 177 g carbohydrates, 40 g fiber, 40 g fat, 1,327 milligrams sodium. Day 5. Breakfast: 296 calories. 2 vegan pancakes. 1/4 cup blackberries. 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter. Mix peanut butter with 1 teaspoon. Warm water, or more, as needed, to thin out the peanut butter. Drizzle over pancakes. Lunch: 325 calories. 1 serving veggie and hummus sandwich. PM. Snack: 100 calories. 1/2 cup edamame pods, seasoned with a pinch of salt. Dinner: 487 calories. 1 cup chickpea curry. 1 cup basic quinoa. Daily totals: 1,208 calories, 44 g protein, 149 g carbohydrates, 33 g fiber, 50 g fat, 1,253 milligrams sodium. Day 6. Breakfast: 262 calories. 1 serving peanut butter and chia berry jam English muffin. AM. Snack: 17 calories. 1/4 cup hummus. 2 medium celery stalks, cut into sticks. Lunch: 308 calories. 1 serving vegan bistro lunchbox. 2 tablespoon. Pumpkin seeds, pepitas. Dinner: 525 calories. 1 serving Thai spaghetti squash with peanut sauce. 1 cup vegan Thai cucumber salad. Daily totals: 1,211 calories, 51 g protein, 118 g carbohydrates, 32 g fiber, 65 g fat, 2,065 milligrams sodium. Day 7. Breakfast: 296 calories. 2 vegan pancakes. 1/4 cup blackberries. 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter. Mix peanut butter with 1 teaspoon. Warm water, or more, as needed, to thin out the peanut butter. Drizzle over pancakes. AM. Snack: 62 calories. 1 medium orange. Lunch: 325 calories. 4 cups serving green salad with edamame and beets. PM. Snack: 93 calories. 3 cups air-popped popcorn. Dinner: 434 calories. 1 serving rainbow veggie spring roll bowl. Daily totals: 1,209 calories, 45 g protein, 144 g carbohydrates, 32 g fiber, 51 g fat, 1,732 milligrams sodium. You did it! Congratulations on finishing this vegan weight loss meal plan. Maybe you followed along with every single meal and snack, or perhaps just used it as an inspirational guide for following a vegan diet. Either way, we hope you found this plan interesting, delicious, and informative. Following a plant-based diet meal plan is a healthy way to lose weight and keep it off. Keep up the good work and try one of our other healthy vegan meal plans or vegetarian meal plans. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.